Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. If we do first derivative of 10, you got about secant square, and we have 3x squared plus 2x. Later that, we do first derivative of 3x squared plus 2x. This is about the chain rule in here. So first derivative of x squared, we have 2x. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. So we simplify. Number 3 and number 2, we have number 6. Number 2 and number 1, we have number 2. So I will put this one go in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.